Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to streak on Snapchat app. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. You have to understand what is a Snapchat streak. Basically, when you open up your Snapchat app and then you constantly exchange snaps with somebody. If there is a specific number right next the snap streak, it is called your snap streak. Now currently I don't have any, but it's not trick is going to look like a fire emoji snap streak. Basically means the number of consecutive days that you have exchanged snaps with each other without missing a single streak. So if they send you a snap, you send them snap, and they send it back again. Then you send it back. It is the number of consecutive days that you constantly send snaps without sending a chat. That is basically how you do it, and that is actually called snap streaks. So if you want to actually constantly increase your snap streak, just keeps exchanging stuff to the other person. When they send you, just send them back in return. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.